Just stop applying to jobs already, man. Why are you still applying to jobs? We're gonna take a look at two different scenarios. One where you apply to get a job and one where the employer reaches out to you to get one. When you apply to jobs, you go to the company's website, you fill out an application. You give them all your information that they need for the job. You even do a cover letter just for them sometimes. You maybe change up your resume just for them. What does that take? Maybe 30 minutes just to apply to one company. Guess what? The company only spends 15 to 20 seconds taking a look at your resume for their software engineering job. That's it. 15 to 20 seconds. They're instantly just trying to judge if you're a good fit or not. And it's really hard to tell that about someone in 10 to 20 seconds, especially after you put 30 minutes into this application just to get the job, just to get the interview. Not even the job. What was I saying? Not even the job, just the interview. Not only that, but they're also doing this to hundreds of other people. So you are fighting against hundreds of other people for 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds of attention on your resume just to get that back-end developer position. Now let's look at scenario 2. You've been a mobile developer, and as you've been developing, you've come up with some open source repositories, open source packages on your GitHub account that has helped you program the things that you've been doing regularly. But you also gave it out to other people for free. Let's say it was a package that helps you render different components on a mobile app. Now, Google just so happens to be looking for a mobile developer on their front-end team. Now, Google is paying tons and tons of recruiters to constantly scour the internet looking for the best talent in every single area. So, all you've done is programmed on your own, worked on packages, things that have helped you, and Google now reaches out to you because they see that you're a leader in this space. They ask if you want an interview for a position on their mobile front-end team. They have been looking for someone just like you to fill this position. Okay, now let's analyze both scenarios. Let's analyze them both. Scenario 1, you already gave this company 30 minutes of your life, and they have paid you $0 and given you 15 to 20 seconds back. Scenario number 2, you have only improved your life and improved your skill sets. And Google has spent at least 10 to 15 minutes looking through your blog, your website, your code online, just to see if you're a good fit and offer you an interview. So you've gotten time from them and an interview already, a foot in the door, higher than you were in scenario 1. What kind of power or leverage do you think if you come into a scenario where you have already spent more time and more effort working for someone else versus the position where you've just been doing your own thing, you've been benefiting yourself and helping others, and someone else comes in asking you for help? Which position do you think you have more leverage in? The right answer is 2. Now, my stories might not go exactly as planned, right? There's a few caveats. It doesn't always turn out that there's a position in the type of programming you're doing. And this happened to me for 12 months. I was programming Alexa skills and no one wanted them. No one was looking for it. So no one came after me until 14 months in when someone did. Also, all of that code that's on GitHub in the open source repositories, that's something you're gonna have to put time and effort in. And it's gonna have to be good. If it's bad, no one's gonna wanna hire you. So if you're putting good things out there in a space where there's actually a need for it, then the chances of you getting a job, one that is high quality, one that you might want, increases instantly because your leverage and your power go up. And you're not doing work for someone else before they give you the light of day. So, I'll ask you this again. Why are you still applying to jobs? Think about that.